The autopsy reports of 3 of the 6 Jiribam hostages, including 3 women and 3 minors who were killed by Kuki militants, revealed stab wounds and bullet wounds on multiple body parts. The autopsy reports of 2 women and 1 child have been completed. As per the report in India Today, NE, 2.5-year-old Laishram Chinkhainganba had received a bullet shot on his face and was stabbed in the chest and hand. Later, his left forearm was found broken. Multiple blunt and sharp instruments were also used in the face, scalp, and interior chest wall before killing him. The minor's right eye was also reportedly missing. The autopsy report also revealed that Laishram Haitonbi, a 25-year-old woman, was shot 3 times in the back of her chest. A 4th bullet was shot at her buttocks. The bullet shots severed her heart, lungs, and ribs, leading to her death. Jiribam Rani, 68 years of age, received 5 bullet wounds, 1 in the skull, 2 in the chest, 1 in the abdomen, and 1 in the arm. The autopsy reports of 8-month-old Laishram Lamnganba, 31-year-old Telem Khoibi, 8-year-old Telem Thajmanbi are still awaited. It may be mentioned that the bodies of the 6 persons belonging to Meitei community were abducted by Kukizo militants from relief camp in Jiribam's Borobekra area on November 11 and were found in Jiri River in Jiribam and Barak River in Assam's Kasar. The tragic incident of killing of women and children had created shock among people and resulted to widespread protest in the state.